Hi guys, we're going to draw the Shark Hoover. Time and date 7:01, 29th December 2020, and location Thermiston. So I'm just loading my numbers up, putting them in order. Okay, so the Shark Hoover was 1 to 160. I'm just going to do a couple over 160. There we go. Put that back down to 0. So a couple of numbers didn't sell on this one, so if you do land on one of them numbers, we'll just respin it again. Best of luck. The next number you'll see is the winner, drawn in 3, 2, 1. Good luck. It's 110. And don't be too disappointed, because that's not got a number. So the next number you see will be the winner, drawn in 3, 2, 1. Good luck. 26. And that's Michelle Knight. Congratulations, mate. I'll be in touch.